Hello and welcome to the CCD-Guide video tutorial First Steps. The first step is to move and unzip the zip file to the desired directory on the internal or external hard disk. Please make sure that you don't copy the CCD-Guide folder into one of the Windows system directories. The second step is to start the CCD-Guide exe with a double click. The CCD-Guide exe window opens, in which you click on the browser button. At the same time as the browser window opens, the image downloader window appears with which you can download the images. The download can be paused and even the window closed, and the download will continue when restarted from the browser window. If you have purchased CCD-Guide as USB stick, the images must be copied manually. Please copy the folder images from the USB stick into the directory CCD-Guide on the hard disk. After completing the installation, it is recommended to check some program options and to change them if necessary. Click on the second menu item Options in the browser window. Various settings can be made in the Options window, which are explained in detail in the manual. The default settings make sense for most users, and in the first step, only the planetarium should be set for the browser. To do this, use the right scroll bar to get to the section Planetarium Software. The default settings of Planetarium is None. If you have one of the Planetarium software installed on your computer, you can select one of the planetariums from the drop-down list. For Sky Chart and Guide 9, you have to set planetarium path to the respective planetarium exe file on the hard disk. The Sky don't require the entry of a planetarium path. However, to use the Sky in CCD-Guide, it is necessary to start the Sky once as administrator. Click on the Help button to open the help information in the browser window. To get started, the frequently asked questions are useful. Instructions and detailed information can be found in the manual. Now all settings are done and you are ready to use CCD-Guide. Have fun!